Welcome to New Bus. MSRTC is poised for significant developments in 2025, encompassing fleet expansion, infrastructure enhancements, and extensive recruitment drives. Fleet expansion to address transportation challenges such as vehicle breakdowns and prolonged passenger wait times. MSRTC plans to introduce 3,500 new buses into its fleet throughout 2025. This initiative includes the purchase of 2,200 buses and the leasing of an additional 1,300, aiming to restore the fleet to its pre-pandemic strength and improve service reliability. Infrastructure improvements. In Pune, a pivotal infrastructure project is nearing completion. A subway connecting the Swargate metro station directly to the MSRTC bus terminus at Jedchowk, scheduled to open in May 2025. This subway will facilitate seamless movement between the metro and bus services, enhancing commuter convenience and reducing road traffic congestion in the area. Recruitment initiatives. MSRTC has announced multiple recruitment drives to fill various positions across the organization. Driver and conductor positions. A significant recruitment campaign aims to fill approximately 8,022 vacancies for driver-cum-conductor roles. Candidates who have completed at least the 10th grade and possess a valid driving license are eligible to apply. The application process is expected to commence soon, with detailed notifications available on MSRTC's official website. Apprentice roles. MSRTC is also seeking to fill 446 apprentice positions. Eligible candidates include those who have passed the 10th grade, hold a degree, or possess ITI certification. Applications for these roles are being accepted until March 17, 2025. At the respective divisional offices. Technological advancements. In line with technological advancements, MSRTC has developed a mobile application that enables passengers to track the live location of buses, enhancing travel planning and convenience. This initiative reflects MSRTC's commitment to integrating technology into its services to improve the passenger experience. Conclusion. The year 2025 marks a transformative period for MSRTC, characterized by substantial investments in fleet augmentation, infrastructure development, and human resources. These initiatives are set to enhance the efficiency, reliability, and overall quality of public transportation services in Maharashtra, benefiting millions of daily commuters. The Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation, MSRTC, is undergoing significant improvements in 2025, focusing on fleet expansion, infrastructure development, and recruitment. Key developments. Fleet expansion, 3,500 new buses, 2,200 purchased, 1,300 leased, to improve reliability. Infrastructure, a new subway at Swargate, Pune, connecting the metro station and MSRTC bus stand, opens in May 2025. Recruitment, 8,022 driver-cum-conductor positions and 446 apprentice posts are being filled. Technology, a bus tracking mobile app enhances passenger convenience. MSRTC's 2025 initiatives aim to modernize public transport, making it efficient, accessible,